Morning guys, on the Solent's day after some Smoothounds. It's a nice day. So only managed to get about 5 crab this time. Last time I had about 200, but just see how it goes really. One big fish, I'll be well happy. So one I've got a crab on, and the other one I've got a bit of mackerel. Just waiting for Gary to turn up, and then hopefully have a bit of extra bait for us. But yeah, it's lovely today. Okay guys, catch you later. Fish on! Oh, that's a nice one. Fish on, boys! Oh shit! Go on. Go on. Snap me up. Fucking hell. Another fish on, guys. Another fish on. Oh. Love the way these fight. Love the way these fight. Let's get it in. It's on. Come on, baby. Whoa. Oh. Have a look at you. I don't know if you can see this. Oh, yeah, it's a big one. Oh. Get out of the leg. Have a look at you. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice fish. Oh, there goes again. Don't want to lose it. So much power, these fish. So much power. Come on. Oh, he jumped at the end. Come on. Be having it. Come on. Gonna pop up. Jesus Christ. That's gonna do the trick. If I can get it in the net. That's it, just kind of wrap. one little run now, and then she's gone. Go on, set me up. She's off again. There you go, guys. A nice Smoothound. Woohoo! Let them go back in. You see how quick they go back in. Ready? Just caught a whelk on the bit of prawn I've put on, look. Shellfish. Yeah. Okay, I just had my my sugar intake. Right out there. Oh. A rod bent. Come on, baby. I've got a knock on the other rod as well now. Oh, lost it. Set me up. Oh no. Don't believe that. You win some, you lose some. Little baiting technique for these. You don't need elastic out here. Just pull the two back legs off. My hook's a little bit smaller normally. When we go for a bigger hook, straight in where you pull the leg out. I can see with my glasses on. All the way round. Normally it comes out the other socket, but as I say, I haven't got the right sized hook. Just have it so it sticks out like that. See if I can get another one. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed watching this. Smoothound fishing, Gosport. We've had a really cracking day today, probably one of the best we've had. So yeah, next time, you know, this time it's here, give us a shout and that we'll go out together. Catch you later. Bye now. Yeah guys, he's so strong. What about this one? Proper fish, proper fish. I'm gonna let it go, really. There you go, guys. Say goodbye. Bye bye. Yeah.